Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to manage your company budget using Odoo 19 accounting module. So as you all know that managing a company budget is not about some numbers or an easy task. It's all about controlling, planning and making some financial decision very easily, right? So in Odoo 19 accounting module, here we have an option inside the settings menu, which means managing the budget. Okay, so you need to enable that. Afterwards, we are moving to really on the step-by-step tutorial about how to manage the budget. So I'm not stretching the video, let's move. So as you all know that budget management help you to plan how much you expect to spend or earn and then compare it with the actual numbers as well. So instead of guessing your expense or revenue in a particular year or a current period, you can simply see or clearly see the planned budget versus actual performance. Okay. So for configuring the budget planning, then let's head over to the configuration. Under the configuration, there we have our settings, and under the analytics section, there you can see budget management. Okay, so it is used to budget, compare actual with the expected revenue and the cost. So here I'm enable that. And for creating a budget plan or a budget management in your company, you need to enable one more option, which is analytic account, because we are taking or we are planning the budget management linking to any particular project, internal or department. Okay, so here I'm enable the analytic accounting. Once you're done with that, please do hit the save button and let's head over to the configuration. Under the configuration, there we have the analytic plans, analytic accounts. So these are the two elements that we needed inside. Once you're going to plan a budget management in your company. Okay, so now let's head over to the analytic plans. Here I've already created analytic plan, which is a project, and there you can see the project plan name, and there you can see the domain as well. It is linked to the invoice vendor bill as well, and there you can finally see the analytic account. So as you all know that we need to provide an analytic account because that is the particular accounts that we are planning for this project. Okay, so moving on to there, by clicking on a particular smart button which is linked with the project, there you can see several things. Okay, so here I have created a scenario. So let me explain you that in a simple way. Imagine that a company wants to plan its yearly budget for marketing and sales activity. So they decided two different analytic account to create, which means that it still add budget and a sales promotion. Okay, so here I've already created that two thing, which means a digital ads and sales promotion. Now you can see it. Okay, a digital ads and sales promotion, and there you can see the plan is linked with the project, and there we have different kind of details as well. So by moving on to the internal link or by clicking on this particular analytic account, there you can see the analytic account, and it is linked with the plan, which is project, and there you can also see a budget under that, because I've already told you that we need to create a budget. So a company needs to create a yearly budget for marketing and sales. So here I'm already created that budget planning. I'll explain you later. And there I've put already a start and end date, and I've already created how much budget that I should plan. Okay, so there we have every details about it. Now let's move to the analytic accounts and let me show you the sales promotion as well. The same thing, which is the analytic account name, and it is linked with the plan project, and there we have the budget analytics as well. So now let's head over to the accounting section. Under the accounting, there you can see the analytic budget under there, and there you can finally see the pre-created budgets that have been in our current year. So there we have our budget, which is 2026 marketing and sales budget. By opening there you can see different kind of configure option, which is filled. Okay, so there we have the budget name. So here in this company is going to plan a budget for 2026 marketing and sales. Okay, so there we have the period. Okay, so for every kind of budget planning, there we have a period. So it is 2026. So here I'm started with the period January 1st to December 31st. So there you can see the budget type, which is an expense, and the responsible person as Michelle admin as well. There we have the budget lines. Under the budget lines, I have already provided the project which have been created. So that is digital ads and sales promotion. And I've already told you, I've already provided the budget amount as well, which for the digital ads I'm provided it as $8,000, and the sales promotion I've already provided it as $4,000. And there you can see several options, which means a committed, achiever, and theoretical. So under the theoretical, once you're providing the budget amount, it is auto-populated. Okay. So what you mean by a theoretical thing or a theoretical amount that you can see under your budget planning? So let me explain you simple way. Theoretical amount is actually is equal to how much budget should have been used till today based on the time progress. Okay. So it's basically assumes spending is evenly distributed across the budget period. So here you can see a random number, which means $1,095.89, and there we have $547.95 as well. Okay. So how we are actually calculating the theoretical amount? So there is an equation. The theoretical amount is equal to budget amount, which is this amount multiplying with the elapsed date. So there we are at February 19. So we have already passed 46 days. So that is the last days, and it's divided by the total budget days. So there we can find the total budget date, which is 365 days. So it is for an year. So there you can see all such details. So let me calculate once more that. So there we have an equation. What is that? Budget amount multiplying with the elapsed days divided by the total budget days. Okay. So it is multiplying the 8,000 multiplying with 46, which is the past days, divided by 365. We will get the answer, which is the theoretical amount, as $1,095.89. And for the sales promotion, as same like that, we are multiplying with the 4,000. So 4,000 multiplying with the past date 46 divided by 365 days, we will get $547.95 as well. So this is the equation of the theoretical amount. Okay, so there you can see it. So there you can see the committed, achieved, and theoretical percentage as well. So as corresponding to the theoretical amount, there we have the theoretical percentage. Okay. So once you're done with that, we need to create an expense. Okay. So we need to create a vendor bill for that. So let's head over to the vendors. And under the vendors, there we have a bill. So here I'm going to create a new bill. Okay. So let's assume that for a particular vendor, we are going to create a Facebook ad. Okay. So let me provide the vendor name as Jerry. Once I'm done with that, let's add the line as well. Sorry. Okay, we need to provide the bill date. Select it today. Let's move. Let's add this. Okay. Move to the draft bill, and there you can see the service. There we have the Facebook ads, and the account is auto-populated as advertising or marketing expense. So once you are creating a service like this, you need to provide the accounting expense account inside the accounting tab as well. So I've already provided it. Okay. And there we have the analytic distribution line. So here I'm providing the project name, which is digital ads. And also I'm just going to provide a new mode line, which is sales promotion as well. Okay. We provide it as sales promotion. So there you can see it. Now I'm going to divide it partially, which is 50%. And I'm going to provide the percentage as, the price of the digital, the Facebook ads. So here I'm providing it as $3,000. Okay. It just cost as 3,000, and now you can see all the details. By moving on to there you can see the subtotal as well. It is for 1,500 and 1,500. It is divided as partially. And now you can see the tax and everything. So here I'm removing the tax amount as well. So once I'm done with that, let's confirm this. Okay. Once we are confirmed it, let's move to the accounting, and under the analytic budget, let's see what happened. So under the analytic budget, there you can see the similar changes happened. Under the project, it still adds its given the committed and achieved amount as 1,500 and 1,500 for each digital ads and sales promotion, because I've divided it to partially. I've just done the analytic distribution in partial way. So there you can see it. So there we have the committed percentage and the achieved percentage as well. So now you can see how much amount that have been committed and as well achieved in this particular year, and the amount that we are actually planned for this current year as well. Okay, so there we have the theoretical amount as well. So once you are done with that, you can simply click on the done option, and it is in done stage as well. For seeing the reporting session of the budget planning, you can simply head over to the reporting, and under that there you can see the budget report. Okay, under the management, by clicking on there you can see the budget reports. Okay, so let me remove the open budget. Now you can see the created budget planning. So there we have budget planning, which is digital ads and sales promotion, the corresponding project, and there we have the budget, and there we can see the committed amount and the achieved amount as well. There you can see all the details regarding that, and under the line chart you can also see the same thing, which is the budget report, and under the graph chart you can also find them. Okay, so that's how simply you can create a budget planning for any kind of project, any kind of thing that have been happen inside your company. Okay. So I hope you all understood the video, like how to manage the budget inside your company using Odoo 19 accounting module. So with the proper budget management, you can easily track all such things inside your company. So I'll be back with another video. Till that, bye.